In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Tkinter program that will look like this. It'll allow us to select a drop-down color, then it'll change the actual background color for that based off of our selection. So let's go ahead, let's begin. I'm going to create this. I'm going to name this bellringer23.py. And so now what we can do is we can save that, and then we're going to go ahead and get ready to begin here. So first thing we want to do is delete this, and we want to import Tkinter as TK. So import Tkinter as TK. Up next, we want to end up first making our window. So make the window. We're going to create the window as root equals tk.tk. We're going to also set the title. The title should be Tkinter warmup. We're going to change this so that it's a capital W. And then we're going to go ahead and change the geometry of our window as well. So that's going to be 300 by 200. Up next, what we want to do is create the welcome label. So we can go ahead and do label equals, and then we go tk.label. We want to ensure that this exists on the root. We want to change our text to be welcome to Tkinter. And then we can end up packing that. So label.pack. I'm going to also change the Y padding to be equal to 10 there. What we can also do next is we can create the label for color selection. Oh, sorry, the label for the, let's go label for dropdown. And then what we can do is we can go label underscore color equals tk.label. We want that to exist on root. We want to change the text to be select a color. And then up next, we want to end up packing that. So we're going to do label underscore color dot pack. After that, we want to create the dropdown. Now this is going to use the string var function. Without that. So we can go colors equals, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put in red, we'll put in green, we'll put in blue, we'll put in yellow as well. Now what we could do is we go drop down equals tk.spinbox. We're going to put root, and then we're going to put values, and then we're going to set those equal to colors there. So the next what we want to do is pack this. We can also add in a pad Y equal to 5 here. And then we can have the button to change color. So this can be button equals, we're going to go tk.button, we're going to go root text, and then change color. Now the command that we want to end up calling is going to be change underscore color. So we're going to create a function called that. Then up next, we're going to do button.pack, and then we're going to do pad Y equals 10. And then what we're going to do is we're going to establish root.main_loop. Now up at the very, very top here, what I want to end up doing is defining our function change underscore color. And so now we can end up first getting the actual chosen color. So I could go dropdown.get. Now remember, this is going to get whatever's in the dropdown once we click on that button. Then next what we can do is we can use the .config function from root, and we can actually change the background equal to chosen here. So now if we run our code, we can test it out to make sure everything works. And so just as you can see, red, perfect. We can also change this to be green, perfect. We can do blue or yellow. Let's go back to red again. So there you go. That is our little solution for how to create this basic window using a drop down that'll allow you to change the colors using the config function. Hope that was helpful. Any questions or concerns, drop them in the comment. Feel free to smash the subscribe button and also the like. Catch you all in the next video. Bye-bye.